Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Neat1224. Today we are going to see the first video in chemistry. Chemistry class 11 chapter wise important topics part 1. So the first topic that we'll be seeing in this video is some basic concepts of chemistry. Important topics in this are basics of moles, empirical and molecular formula, percentage composition, concentration terms, and the concept of equivalence. The concentration terms include molarity, normality also, which though is not in NCERT, it might be asked in the exam. So the expected number of questions from this chapter is 1. Next chapter is structure of atom. The important topics are Bohr's atomic model, spectral length, Broglie and Heisenberg's uncertainty, quantum mechanical model of an atom. In this, based on theories, questions can be asked. There can be questions based on quantum numbers. There are 4 quantum numbers, as you all would know. And the expected number of questions from this chapter is 1. Mostly the question can be expected from the second part of the chapter, and lines can also be picked up from NCERT since this is mostly theory-based chapters, and also numerical-based questions can also be expected from this chapter. Next chapter is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. This has important topics which include Mendeleev's periodic law, nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100, periodic trends in properties of elements. This is generally not considered to be that of an important topic, but still questions can be asked from other inorganic chemistry chapters, which has the basic in this chapter. So it is important that you learn this chapter and be thorough with it. Next chapter is chemical bonding and molecular structure. The important topics are given below. This is a very, very, very important chapter, as this has few theories that can also help you with organic chemistry. This chapter can have an expected number of questions as much as 3 questions maximum, even 4 sometimes if possible. So I consider that this is a very important chapter and should be read very thoroughly, and it is important that you learn NCERT and practice as much as questions possible, as this chapter can have numerical as well as theory and also diagrammatic questions. So next is states of matter, gases and liquids. Important topics are types of interactions, the gas laws, ideal gas equation, Van der Waals equation, liquefaction of gases. Ideal gas equation, Van der Waals equation are very important, as numerical questions can be asked from this chapter based on these topics. The expected number of questions from this chapter is 1. I would recommend every one of you to read NCERT thoroughly for chemistry and also for biology, both botany and zoology. Textbook, especially NCERT textbook, is very important for NEET. Next chapter is thermodynamics. Important topics are mentioned below. This is purely a numerical based chapter. Mostly numerical questions can be asked, but also few theory questions can be asked. For instance, the question can be based on extensive and intensive quantities and etc. So on. Some other questions based on this pattern can be asked, but mostly numerical questions are expected from this chapter. The expected number of questions from this chapter are 2. And please, I request you to practice minimum questions every day. Apart from physics, also focus questions on chemistry. Next chapter is equilibrium. This is also a very, very, very important topic. Expected number of questions are 2. You have to read all the formulas in this chapter, especially the ones that come under pH scale and buffer solutions. Buffer solutions is a very important topic, and I would want you to be thorough with all the NCERT examples in all the chapters, not only this, but all the chapters. And the theories under acid, base, and salts are also very important, as questions can be asked from that too, especially Bronsted theory. I hope that you found this video very informative. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Neat World 24. And I will meet you guys in the next video. And also, please watch other videos from my channel, as it might also be informative. I've just completed my physics series, which had all the important topics from each and every chapter, both class 11 and 12. I'll give you the link in the description. Please go watch that too. Thank you.